Hey there, fellow outlaws. It's been kind of a slow week around the Ecovillage as far as actually getting projects done, but we did start to move some of these tires down here, and what will be in our near future our livestock pond. And yeah, as you can see there, it's going to take an awful lot of tires. I am going to still need more because as you can see, this is going to be fairly deep and it will go pretty far back there, so it's going to be a pretty big amount of water pushing weight on this. So I actually want to go 2 and 3 tires deep in some places to really hold it back. But now I got an idea how many tires it's gonna take. What I'll probably be doing next on this is actually separating all the tires by how wide they are, so that way when you lay them down they'll be a nice even all the way across. Each level will be, or each row will be level, unlike this mess as you can see. Anyways, I did get another small project done. Let's go take a look at that, shall we? So yeah, one of the other projects I had was to do new nesting boxes for the ducks. I was getting real low egg production, 1, maybe 2 eggs a day, and I currently have 6 female ducks and 2 female chickens, so I should have been getting a lot more than just 1 or 2. And part of the problem is I was using a plastic tote like this, not like this one, a bit bigger one, but it was on its side, and I just used the main opening. What ended up happening is they would get on the tops, as you can see they do get on the tops here and poop and whatnot. And when they're on there, it would sink a bit. So I don't think they felt real safe laying laying eggs underneath there. So what I did is I have these heavier duty totes, and I actually took an angle grinder and I cut out a section of there so that they can do that. And now my egg production, I get 4 to 6 eggs a day now. So yeah, it's vastly improved. And yeah, that's kind of the stuff that I did around here this week. What did you guys do this week? Why don't you tell me, why don't you leave a comment below what you got accomplished in becoming more sustainable. Anyways, that's gonna do it for me. Peace, love, and all that hippie jazz.